Welcome to your EduGenius dashboard. Your stats, quick actions, and study streak are all right here for a quick overview. Scroll down to see your study streak calendar and your top activities. Your most recent materials are right below. Notice your growing streak status. To focus on tests, click the Assessments button to filter your recent materials list. Let's look at the top stats. Check your credit balance, total materials created, and your number of study sessions. Quick actions are your creative shortcuts. Generate a quiz, create flashcards, start a worksheet, or ask me for help. For the fastest way to create materials, click the Flash Generate banner. Pick a format, and it's done in one click. Can't find something? Type in the Search Materials bar. You can also see your credits and find the support icon here. To personalize your experience, click the Settings icon in the top right. This is where you can adjust your account preferences. In your recent study materials list, click the star icon next to any item to mark it as a favorite. Review your last attempt score to see your progress. When you're ready, click Start Practice to begin. You've got this.